What is this? What's going on? Why y'all be on? Who is this? Bro, I cannot. Halloween done started early. Oh. What's up? You talk or no? You talk? Do you talk? Do you talk? Oh, you want me to come to you? Well, what we doing if I come? Y'all, who sent this? Oh, the next time. Oh, wow. Impressive. Impressive. You got another sign for me? I can stare at you too. We can do this all fucking day because I don't even know who sent you. So you ain't finna be on my live not talking to me. You need to do another sign. I like the last one. Now the last one gave. Now give me another one. It's coming. I feel it. It's coming. Y'all, is this nigga from Tampa? Where is he from? He don't talk. Okay, so he don't talk. Okay. Don't talk. Can y'all help me? Because I'm so fucking lost. I'm over here talking about editing. So what's his name? Okay, he from Atlanta. Okay, so his name's Mario. He's a mute rapper? Oh, well, Mario, you gotta come on my show. Come and get cuffed. Do you have anybody that speaks for you regarding like interviews? Baby, you gotta say something, especially if you're an artist. I mean, let's talk. No? He's not a mute rapper. Oh shit. Oh shit. You coming forward. I feel it. Here. Where you going? Mario, don't leave. I don't want you to leave yet, Mario. I'm interested. Y'all Y'all know how old he is? Do y'all know how old he is? Invite Glock. He speaks for him. Invite Glock. Okay. It's so many people requesting to join. I know they ain't coming for me. I know they coming for you. Should we add them? Can you give me a sign? Me and you only. Me and you. Okay. Okay. I know sign language, daddy. So Sam, Mario, if you're an artist, you gonna come get cuffed? Can you give me another sign? Okay. So apparently he's like a Halloween character that eat pussy. That's what I'm getting from it. Cause all my signs been like, bitch, I eat your eye. Is that what it's giving? Let me know. Let's talk. The Undertaker. Do he know Charles or something? Like, and why does this filter look like that? Do he look like Charles? I mean, do he know Charles? Y'all are funny. I'm just so upset I can't even hear his voice. Cause of Avatar. Oh, wow. I'm just lost for words. I feel like the silence is so loud that I feel everything. I feel it. I really want to know, like, what's his name? Are you going to be out on Halloween in these Florida streets? He make music. Can I Google him? Can I Google him? Put the name in right now. Come on, what's the name? Listen, y'all don't know me. I don't know y'all. Why are y'all so like that in the comments? Let him be him. Let me do me. If I like his sign language, I like his sign language. No talking. Only birth control that's annual and procedure free. He do make music. And it is ACL. That's because I got a waterfall playing in the back. Wow. Can you come to Tampa? Can I interview you? Okay. I'm so impressed. I'm so fucking impressed. I am just wild. Who sent him to me? What an introduction. Oh, is he leaving us? Is he leaving us? Is he leaving us? Oh, I don't want to lose him.